Oh, it's primitive. It's barbaric. There ought to be a law against it.
It's just an auto supply store, Ratchet.
You mean they actually sell spare parts on the open market? What kind of malfunction would be crass enough to buy this stuff?
Hey guys, check out my new horn. This place has the greatest stuff. Fuzzy cube thingies, miniature human female replica. I don't know what this thing is.
Knock it off, kid. We're heading home, now!
Whoa! What crawled up your tailpipe? The night is still young, unlike some bots I know.
I'm about to beat this bitch up.
I never thought I'd hear myself say this, but Bumblebee's right. You need to get out more, Ratchet. You must have seen some pretty serious action back in the Great Wars.
Yes, I did, and no, I still don't want to talk about it.
That's what I'm saying. Forget about the past. Loosen up! Enjoy the bright lights, the big city! Whoa! That guy is not gonna win any safety awards!
Next time, you might want to look both ways before you cross.
Ratchet! Ratchet! Field Tech Ratchet, report! What's his status? Ratchet, have you located the intelligence officer?
Affirmative, sir! Unfortunately, so have the Decepticons!
I need her processor in one piece.
Something's wrong, Doc. I can't move my leg.
Ow! For starters, you're in shock. Stay with me now. What's your name, soldier?
Arcee, sir.
Don't call me sir! I work for a living. Name's Ratchet. Got that?
Yes, sir. Yes, Ratchet.
Now listen up, Arcee. This is an electromagnetic pulse generator. I'm going to
Blah,
temporarily...
blah, blah. Proper name, place name, backstory stuff.
No! You could delete the access codes. They're too valuable.
Don't worry. It'd take a much stronger blast to do any damage to your memory core.
You two okay?
We're fine!
You call that fine? You froze up like a crankcase in December!
I did not freeze up! Must have been a glitch in my systems.
Speaking of glitches, what was up with the dude in the muscle car?
How many self-diagnostics are you gonna run, Ratchet?
As many as it takes.
War wounds acting up again?
Still don't want to talk about it.
But you know you can talk. To me. About anything. Anytime. Just bot to bot.
Are you finished?
Apparently I am.
I have been monitoring all media for reports of power outages in this mysterious vehicle. Wait.
Let's get you out of here, soldier.
Didn't you hear, Prime? We're going after the punk in the muscle car.
Okay, don't throw a rod.
Ratchet, you can monitor us from here if you're not up to it.
I'm fine. Let's roll.
All right, we can do this the easy way or the hard way. Sorry if I scratch your vehicle, sir. I understand something called insurance will take care of that.
That car. The blackouts. No, it's impossible.
Your magnetic powers won't work on these cables. Carbon.
You Decepticon scum.
Oh, I'm not.
You've done enough damage for one night. Now please, step out of the vehicle, sir.
Just one problem. I am the vehicle.
I hate him! I hate him!
Who are you?
You can call me Lockdown. Though you probably can't call me anything until you reboot yourself.
How does some human just disappear with Prime and mask his energy signature?
So what do we do now?
What are you asking me for? I'm a Metabot, not a field commander.
Something you're not telling us about this muscle car guy?
It's not a guy, and it's not a car. It's a Decepticon. The one who gave me this. He's a bounty hunter.
My Autobots will find you before you can even get off this planet.
Bring 'em on! I can use some spare parts. Looking for something?
We've been searching for megacycles. We're never gonna find him.
How could I not see it? Lockdown was casing us the whole time, hiding in plain sight. And we bought it. Bolt, cable...
Wait, hiding in plain sight. That's the answer. This is a satellite image of old Detroit where Lockdown and Prime disappeared. In the same area 3 days ago.
Hey! Where'd that warehouse go?
Not clever enough. Come on! Let's go kick his tail fins in!
I can't go back there.
Are your circuits crossed? We're talking about Prime!
No time to argue.
You have Optimus Prime? Hand him over at once! That Autobot will pay for what he did to our leader!
Yeah, speaking of payment, I'm gonna need mine first.
Patience, my bounty hunting friend. You will not be disappointed with your upgrades, provided I am not disappointed with your results.
Ooh! I want to see him turn into a fire truck! Can I? Can I? Can I?
This bounty hunter is smart. We must be smarter. Proceed with extreme caution.
No time! Let's get him! You wanna play rough? Bring it on, Autobot! That stuff can't hurt me! Don't have to hurt you. Hey, no fair!
Hey guys, I found him! You can hide, but you can't run! Hey, that's Prime's axe!
Prime's axe. And pretty soon, I'll have your stingers. Another trophy for the wall. Huh? Almost forgot about you. I'm impressed. It's been eons since the last time anyone got the drop on me.
The next time will be much sooner.
Step away from the Autobot!
Step away from the underage girls.
How's the old bucket? Still...
You'll never take another trophy from an Autobot again.
No? Who's gonna stop me?
I am.
Now that was just sad. What the? I shut you down!
Humans call it playing possum. Don't ask me what a possum is. I guess it never occurred to you that the EMP wouldn't work on the one bot it was designed for.
Decepticons pay real good for info.
Arcee! No! Prime!
Ratchet?
Hold still. Don't try to talk. I need to make some adjustments. Launch sequence starting. We gotta move!
Leave them alone! No!
Is it just me, or is that a very bad sound? Yeah, that's bad.
You know, I'm starting to appreciate those magnetic powers of yours.
You like trophies? Have your fill! Time was I'd use my EMP generator to do this painlessly. Too bad I don't have it anymore.
EMP! Use it! Please! Please! You must have some primo data in that processor.
Get out of here, you creep! Use it on me. Full blast. Wipe my memory core.
What? Arcee, no!
What the?
You all right, Arcee?
Who's Arcee? Where are we? What's going on? Do I know you?
You want me to use that EMP to make your pain go away? This was a medical tool meant to heal. You turned it into a weapon. This one's for Arcee. Hold on, Prime! This may hurt a little.
Let's just say I have a much better appreciation for what you went through back in the day and why you don't want to remember it.
It's not that I don't want to remember. I have to remember. For those who can't.
Still, I don't suppose it hurts to talk about it sometimes. With a trusted friend.
Wouldn't you like to know, Weather Boy?